Hello, I'm Daniel Bonilla, and today I will explain how to use CMap tools to create concept maps. As you know, concept maps are considered one of the most common learning strategies used by students all around the world. A concept map allows to deconstruct and understand a topic, or in other words, a concept map allows us to represent what we think or understand about the topic. If you want to work creating concept maps with CMap tools, the first thing you have to do is to download the program onto your computer using this URL described at the top of the screen. Once you have it, you open the program on your computer, and one blank screen will appear. In this case, as I've created many concept maps, some of them appear here, but you can fix this just going to File and selecting New CMap. Let's put this full size. As you can see, you have the blank screen. There are some tabs at the top of the screen, so let's to the Window tab and get our Styles palette. The Styles palette allows us to change fonts, to change objects or bubbles, to change lines, or to change some features of the CMap, such as the color of the background. Now let's add the first concept, for the main concept. So we have to double click here and introduce or type immediately the concept. In this case, let's create a short concept map about the human body. Once you click on the concept, you can drag it all around the screen and put it wherever you want. Let's put it here. As you know, concept map consists of two parts: concept and linking words or propositions. Concepts are connected by arrows to show the direction of the relationship, and each connection has a linking word to describe how the concepts are connected. If you want to add another concept from an existing concept, in this case the main concept, what you have to do is click on the arrow and drag it. Now type the linking word, divide it into, and type the concept here. It is very important to take into account that the concept consists of one word. You have to avoid typing paragraphs, because that wouldn't be a concept map. If you want to add more information to your concept, so you can do it clicking on the concept and selecting annotation. In this text box, you can add all the information that you need to explain what you want to mean. In this case, contains many other things. So you click on the icon and you can move it around the concept or wherever, or place it where you want. This case here, if you want eliminate or delete the annotation, just click on it and delete. Okay. If you want to add another concept from an existing linking word or preposition, all what you have to do is click and drag the arrow. So, very easy. Let's type the new concept, trunk, and let's do it again, dragging the arrow, limbs. As you can see, this is the main concept, and these are other concepts that we have included. Now let's include some other concepts from this existing concept, dragging the arrow. Let's type the position, head, includes nose. Let's drag the arrow to add another concept from an existing proposition, eyes, mouth, and ears. Now let's do the same with limbs. We have arms and legs. If you want to link existing concepts to each other, you can do it dragging the arrow and linking it. Case joins, and let's link this one to joins. Now this is some of the changes that you can make to the concept map using the styles palette. Okay, now, for example, let's change the color of the concept. You can select concept by concept separately, or if you prefer, you can go to the edition tab and selecting concepts. As you can see, all the concepts are highlighted immediately. Now let's to the styles palette and select objects in order to make the changes. So let's change the color of the concept. Let's change it. Let's use this yellow color. Now let's put a shape, a red shape to every concept. Now let's change the font, the kind of font. Let's use this French script. No. Franklin Gothic. It's very cool. Now that we have made some changes to the concept, let's create some changes to the connections. So select connections, and all the connections are selected. Go to the line, and let's select this size, this color, and this style. As you can see, it's very simple. This concept could start looking a little messy, but that's very simple to fix, because this program gives us an automatic design. So we go to the Format tab and select Automatic Design, generate a new design, and accept. OK. As you can see, this is an excellent design. If you want to change something else, you can do it. You're dragging the prepositions to the place you want. As you can see, this is an easy way to create concept maps. But there is something very important here, is the fact that you have to save what you have created. So let's do the File tab and select Save CMap and type the title. In this case, Human Body. Save. Yes, because I've created another concept map with the same title, but it doesn't matter. And after that, maybe you want to add your concept map to a Word file, so you have to export the concept map. Click on File tab and select Export CMap as. You can select one of the options given by the program. So you can select image, PDF. In this case, let's select image, and the program will recommend where you can save your concept map. In this case, Documents, and click on Save. And it's done. That's all what you need to create an excellent concept map using this spectacular tool, which is CMap Tools. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you very much.